gentlemen, I'm gonna tell you why she does not want to go to bed with you, and we are gonna take the guesswork out of this because I get emails from all of you guys and you guys have seen all of my courses and you're like, Arica, you tell me very detailed things to do to a woman's body once I get her in the bed. But Arica, I can't even get her in the bed. There's a real problem here. And you've heard of my saga. If you saw my video prior to this one, then you heard what happened in my life. Lord help me. And you've also heard that YouTube decided after 17 years of being on their platform that they were just gonna demonetize me and basically said, we need you to do better. Great, whatever that means. So, remember I told you I was like, I'm gonna work on a master plan. There's gotta be a way around all of this to where I can keep serving you guys, but also give you those courses that you need. They're practical courses because corn is not showing you what to do to our bodies. So, I think I found a solution. I'm gonna tell you at the end of the video, and it's also gonna help you guys who say, Arica, I can't even get her into the bedroom. I found a solution for all of it. I'm gonna tell you at the end of the video. But first, let's just get to why a woman doesn't want to go to the bedroom. Believe it or not, I know that society has made us sound like it's like such extremes. Like either a woman's a whore or she's just this woman who never wants to have sex with her man. And I think that's strategic. I think that's to keep us frustrated with each other. I think that's to keep us fighting and to keep us in division and to keep wars going on, is because if they constantly paint a hopeless scenario, then guess what? No one even tries. But aha! No, not here on my channel, not here with Arica Angelo. We're about getting solutions, we're about getting pleasure back into your life, and we're about to make that happen now. So if you have not subscribed, then baby, you want to do this, tell your friends about it, tell your mom about it, tell the dog down the road about it. It's time for all of us to get back to pleasure, make this world pleasurable again. So here's the reality. Women do have that desire. She does have that need inside of her to want to go to the bedroom. It's like asking someone like, hey, do you not want chocolate cake? Of course they want chocolate cake, whatever their favorite dessert is. The reality is her whole body, we have that whole little knob, that little button in between our hood. You know, I can't say anything. That's why I make these damn courses, so I can just talk freely without being freaking censored, because all of a sudden we're not adults anymore. But she has that desire. There's that part of her body, that our bodies, that is wired solely for pleasure, solely for desire. So it's wired into her. She has it despite what society is saying, despite what she might be saying because she's spending too much time on Instagram. The reality is she is needing that pleasure from you. Her nervous system, her mind, her body is aching for that. But then you're like, Arica, then why does she keep telling me no? And yeah, Arica, I agree. If you agree with me, tell me in the comment section. Do you feel like they're playing this villain of like either a woman's a whore or she just doesn't want sex at all? It's like, okay, there is an in-between like there is in anything in this world. There are women who love pleasure and who do not feel the need to go out and sleep with every Tom, Dick, and Harry out there. So how do you get that woman, a woman who does have that desire, or that woman who's been turned off from her desire, how do you get her back in the bedroom? You know, there is a certain way that a lot of men think it's like when they get in the bedroom, they're just gonna turn on this magic show, or they're gonna take her out on a date and they're gonna set up this romantic night because that's what Hollywood showed you to do. So of course, if Hollywood showed you to do it, of course it must be reality. It must be true. Tagline facetious. I'm not being sincere at all when I say that. No, the reality is that there's a whole framework inside of a woman that yes, she does have that framework of pleasure, but there is an unlocking that happens to take place. And the reason why it's so frustrating for men is because it's a very different framework. You know, I've had men tell me like, I can go on a tangent and say 5 things that need to be done at once. I have a team with a lot of men on my team, and I'm like, and we need to do this, and they're like, Arica, let's just focus on one thing. I'm like, you just focus on one thing. I can focus on 5 things because women can do that. So can you imagine if she has that framework that serves as a wife, as a whore, as a doctor, as a janitor, as a chef, if she can serve in all of those things, might it be said that she has a different framework, a different operating system going on inside of her? So I know why you get frustrated, because it's like, I do the things that I'm told to do. I take her on the date, and then I bring her home to go ta-da, and then she goes, I have a headache, I'm sleepy. Or I've spent thousands of dollars pursuing this woman, and she's never ever seen the color of my bed sheets, Erica. It's just never ever ever happened. Here's the reality. Yes, when you go on a date to a woman, does that actually help seduce her a bit? Yes, but the reality is there are things that you can do prior. There are things that you can do to open her up, such as building anticipation, such as touching her in places that are not necessarily sexual, but can still turn her on. And believe it or not, it is your energy when you show up in that masculine role, despite the society is trying to beat you down and make you a wimp and make you a whiny. And those of you who are on my channel refuse to be those wimps, refuse to be the whiny man, go, no, 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 my balls are still intact. I don't need to be some mousy guy wearing feminine dresses and feminine shirts. I'm still gonna be a man. Believe it or not, it is that primal energy that she still needs from you. And when you are able to show up with that primal energy, when you're able to touch her in ways that are not always sexual, but showing her that you care for her, when you know how to build anticipation, because she's just as excited as you are, but she needs you to cheerlead her. She needs you to get her on board. When you know how to build up her anticipation with that, you see what I'm doing here? I am laying a framework of things, but most men only go with one. They go, okay, it's date night. Or another guy goes, okay, like I told her how beautiful she is. I did all those things. That didn't get her in my bedroom, Erica. Why? She has a different operating system than you. And the reality is when you take these things, and I'm telling you all the missing tools, and you put those together and you make this operating system work for you, then her pleasure is nonstop. Her pleasure is endless. So I found a solution, and it's called the Date Night Pleasure Bundle, because I'm so sick and tired of hearing my guys spend so much money on dates with women and nothing ever happens. No pleasure ends up happening. She goes to bed frustrated. You go to bed frustrated and more broke than ever. And the reality is no pleasure is happening. And I'm just gonna cut it real with you. I'm so tired of being one with Meta ads. They're charging me a fortune because I just wanna tell you guys the truth of what to do down below. They're charging me out the wazoo. And so now I'm like, okay, screw this Meta thing, screw this YouTube thing, and screw you going to a home that's empty with no love in it and an empty wallet. No, 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 no. I'm gonna find a framework that is pleasant, that doesn't sound so direct, that sounds so PG, so that even your grandma feels comfortable. But when you get the content, okay, it may not be as PG. And what does this do? It opens a framework so that you can get access to all my other courses that are not PG, because the reality is if your bedroom life is PG, you are doing something wrong. And that is not what we are about here at Arica Angelo. So get that Date Night Pleasure Bundle. It is brand new. I just released it. It's in the comment section. It's in my description. I will put it on my website, aricaangelo.com. But the reality is that date night, those frameworks that society has built, that this is supposed to be the moment where you woo a woman. The reality is they're not actually telling you how to woo her on that date. Just paying for a dinner and telling her she's beautiful leaves you frustrated. Why? Because there's so much more that goes into unlocking her pleasure. And the reality is, if she felt like she could tell you this without making you feel beat up, she would tell you. But she doesn't tell you because society has told her that your ego is very fragile, and if she brings correction to you, that you're just gonna die and wither away, which we know that that's not true either, because you're watching my video right now, which means that you're open to learning and growing and maybe correcting things. So the reality is she wants to be pleasured by you. She wants to show up in the bedroom, but you're not showing up in a way that that goes with her operating system. And it's not as freaking complicated as everyone makes it out to be. The reality is there's a real framework that goes into place, and when you follow it, guess what? The both of you can experience pleasure, because that is your God-given right. So I hope that you get access to that date night pleasure bundle. It's going to blow your mind, and it's going to make it all of a sudden, it's like, it's going to make sense. Now I can start using all those explicit courses that Arica has made for me, because now I actually know how to woo her, how to pursue her, how to put it down on her in the bedroom, and she is going to thank me for it. She's going to start saying, wow, Jim, you're phenomenal. Where did you learn all this stuff? Tell her, Arica Angelo taught me. I hope that supported you. Here's another video to go and just devour so that you become the man that she cannot resist. I love you. I'll see you in my next video. Take care.